Okay guys, I'm back and this is part 2. And today's the same day. I know it. I know I can get this on footage. I know I can get this on footage. But there's still rain pouring a little bit on this porch. Nice. Yeah. Same week is happening. Same thing is happening. Okay guys, sorry for someone blocking to my way. I think she was walking because it was raining so heavy outside, and that's why I apologize. Thanks. This is what I get. I'm gonna try to get this lighting on camera or something. Holy in the name of Jesus Christ. Oh my Lord. Oh my Lord. Oh my, wow, nice. Or actually, this is just some kind of lighting I noticed. But I have not. Oh my Lord! Okay, this is fine. Hey, why did the lights flicker?
Wow!
Guys, do you know why the lights are flickering? Tell me in the comments below. Maybe it ran out of battery or something. Or I think it may be glitching. At some point. I almost can't see, but I see the stars over here. Why am I seeing stars on the top? Which I have no clue to tell you. Okay, go check in the back. Let's see, let's go check on him. Well, there's still wet things over here. But not that fast. But this thing is acting like a water fountain. Which I'm not gonna lie. I'm not gonna lie for that. Yep. Okay, so the rain's starting to calm down a little bit, but the wind hasn't calmed down yet. It just keeps going on north forever. Oh my god, guys, I think we might get some hail. Dude, I see a star right there. I see a star right over there. Why is there a star up there? Why is there really a star right there? I can't believe it. I don't believe it. I can't believe there's a star over there during a thunderstorm. The last chance I have been taken there. Perfect. That's what I like to call it at once, like into, you know, these parts. Perfect. There's literally a perfect star right over there, which I really can't tell. Okay, so let's stop looking at the star. The rain has calmed down, so I'll end the video. Oh no! No. Just kidding. The rain's starting to come back. As you may see, that, I don't know. Hey, look, the star's gone. There's no stars up in the sky. Okay, guys. So, the rain has calmed down a little bit, and the wind too. Perfect! That was right to the left. As I was saying, hope you enjoyed this video. Subscribe to my channel, like the video, and turn on post notifications on. And finally, tell me in the comments that you subscribed. I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.